Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to solve the book exercise of the chapter name is Leopard. So let's start the video and know more thing about the chapters. So first you can see here the exercise number A. The exercise is match the cause and the effect, number the effect with the same number as the cause. One has been done for you. You can see here given a lot of the cause. Number of the cause is 7 and there are given some of the blanks. So arrange these effect with the correct cause. Okay, so first is the ravine was deep and dark, so many birds and animals emerged from the cover during day night. Okay, so first match with this statement. Okay, this is the cause and this is the effect. Second is the narrator did not want anything from the jungle, so here is the effect will be the therefore. Okay, so you can see here in the below, therefore the creature trusted him. So you can write in the blanks number 2. Okay, now next third cause is the langurs were not afraid of the narrators. So here the effect will be so the animals. Okay, it means this option and it will be the third option. Okay, third option you can write down. So the animals did not run away when he came. Clear? And now fourth statement is a leopard had come into the ravine, and the fourth statement effect will be hence. Okay, hence the monkey were chatting in the trees. Clear? So fifth cause is the narrator saw the leopard's eyes glittering at him at the evening. So effect will be of the fifth is the so he was very afraid. Clear? So write down here fifth number. Now sixth is men with guns were roaring the forest. So option will be the so many animals and birds had left the areas. So write down 6 number in front of the this statement. And last one will match with the this upset the narrator very much. So seventh option will be this one. I hope you all understand it. So you have to complete it. Now next exercise is this is the think and discuss with the partners, share and answer in class. So you can write down it in your own words. Now here is the next question is next book exercise is exercise number E. Okay, exercise number E. Question is we often use certain words together such as deep ravine, smooth pebbles, tender lips, hidden dangers, and so on. Circle the words that can be used with the words in blue. Okay, so you can see some of the words written in a blue letter, blue words, like you can see here in the pictures. It's not clear, so you can see here is the some of the words, and you have to use the together, make it together words, and it is a used as a words in a blue. Okay, so first which word will be connected with the blue words. So here is the word, first word is the stream, and which word we can circle and join the words together. So first will be the clear stream is the correct option. Swallow stream is a correct option. Thin stream is not correct option, and bubbling stream is also a correct option. So circle 3 option: clear, swallow and bubbling. Okay, now second is the path. Which words will be add with the words of the past. So let's see here. First is the thick is the not correct word that we can add with the path. Slow is not correct word, and narrow is the correct word, so circle this word. And next is long path is also a correct word, so circle this word. Okay, now third option is You can see here the blue word is a forest. Forest is the word, and which word will be add with this word? So you can see here young is a not correct option, dense is correct option. Why? Because dense forest is the correct. Okay, so circle the dense, and here the old is not correct option. Old forest not asking to anyone. So here the wide is the not correct option. So cross the all option and circle the only dense. Now look at the fourth option. Fourth option is a main word is, it means mountain is the blue words, and which word we will be connected or adding with these words? So word high. Okay, high word will add with the mountain, so it will be high mountain. So circle the word high. Tall is not correct option, and big is a correct option, so circle the big option. Okay, and small is a not correct option, so circle the word high and big. Clear? High and big mountain. Now fifth option is trees. Which word will add with this word? So tall trees is a correct option, so circle it. Green tree is a correct option. Old tree is not correct option, and mighty is the not correct option. Okay, so you can use these words and circle the words according to the blue words. Clear? Now look at the next exercise number F. Exercise number F. Here is the exercise. Read the suffixes and their meanings. Circle the words in each row to which these suffixes can be added to form new words. Write the new words. Okay, so listen here. Here are given some of the suffix and its meaning, and also given some of the words. So use the suffix and make a new words. For example, able is a suffix word. Able is a suffix word, and capable, able to do, its meaning. Okay, capable, able to do, its meaning. And here is the word eat, like, and move. Which word will be addable with the suffix? Okay, so eatable is the correct word, likeable is the correct word, and movable, and so on. Your next suffix is less. Okay, and its meaning will be without or lacking. Okay, and the word fear, kind, help. Which word will be which word will help with the word suffix? Okay, so fear will be fearless. Fear will be fearless. Write down fearless. And next is kind. Kind not will be kindless. Help will be helpless. Okay, so write down fearless and helpless, it's correct option. Now third is a ish. Okay, ish, and its meaning will be like with the quality a. And which word will be added by the suffix? So fool will be foolish. Fool will be foolish, and red will be reddish. Okay, red will be reddish. Foolish is spelling of foolish FOOLISH, and reddish spelling is REDDISH. Okay, so write down it. Next is fourth option, ness. Okay, its meaning is in a state or condition. So which word will be added with the suffix? Here the word will be boldness. Okay, boldness is a correct option, and kindness is also a correct option. Braveness is not correct option, so left it. And fifth is the ends. Okay, means quality or state. Means quality or state. And which word will be added in the added of the suffix? So it will be preference. Okay, preference is the correct word. And so write down in the blanks preference. Clear? I hope you all understand this exercise. Now exercise number G. Work in pair, fill in the blanks with the suitable words, complete this message. Okay, so here read the passage, and I think here is the missing of the preposition word. So fill the preposition words, correct preposition word, and complete the passage. The cheetah is the fastest mammals on. Okay, you can write down here on. On land, the cheetah can reach speeds of, write down spelling of OF, okay, of 100 to TO, okay, to 115 kilometers an hour for FOR. It will be for short distance, clear? And however, usually it chases it prey. Here preposition word will be in, okay, write down in, okay, in only about half that speed. After a chase, a cheetah need half an hour to catch its breath before it can eat, okay. And last line is the passage, the cheetah is found in, okay, in Asia and Africa. Today it is near Arctic, okay. Why? Because there is no any cheetah in India, because it's completely vanished in the jungle of India, okay. So next exercise you can see of this chapter. Here is the exercise number H, okay, exercise number H. So listen carefully and complete this exercise with your attentively, okay. So question is, work in pair, use the prepositional phrases in the box and complete the sentence to tell a story. You can use each phrase only once, okay. I think you know very well about the preposition, and in the previous video that was the related to the grammar, I also explained the preposition topic, okay. So go to the channel and see the video of preposition, clear? So let's start and know which is the word or which is the phrasal word will fill in these sentences, okay. First has been given in your textbook, so don't worry. Here the Arun leaves for school every day at 7 a.m, okay. First option will be correct here, at 7 a.m, okay. Second is he goes to school, and the second option will be he goes to school by bus. So write down here option number 2, by bus, clear? And third is the sometimes he gets up late. So which is the option is correct? So you can see here in the box they are given a phrasal words in the morning, okay, in the morning. You can feel it in the third option, in the morning. Sometimes he gets up late in the morning, clear? Now fourth statement is his father gets annoyed. Which word, which phrasal preposition fill in the option number 4? So you can see at the your box of with him, okay, with him. It will be the fourth option of the prepositional phrase. So write down in the fourth, his father gets annoyed with him, clear? Now fifth is Arun has to plead hard. Plead hard, which is the correct option? So you can see here with his father. Option number fifth will fill by the word with his father. So fill in this box option number 5th, okay. Right here with his fathers, clear? Now 6 is by this time he is usually very late. Sixth option will be used here for assembly, okay. In this blanks you can fill the word for assembly, okay. So your sentence will be by this time he is usually very late for assembly, okay. Now next option is so then he gets. So which option will be filled in this blanks? So seventh, into trouble, okay, into trouble. So seventh option will be filled in this blanks, okay. Now next is 8th option, he decide to get up. And last one will be only a word that was the left each. There is no given any left any words, don't worry. Here is the left word on time, okay, on time. So write down here on time, and in these ways you have to complete your exercise number H. I hope you all understand. And how can you write down? So read the statement and fill these words in these blanks with their proper or correct words. Okay, phrases या phrases prepositions. Okay, I hope you all understand, and this chapter book exercise has been completed, so we have to meet in the next videos. So goodbye and have a nice day.